What is going on, team? It is Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys were all having an amazing Tuesday, and what a series of events. I don't know if you guys noticed. Well, you probably noticed because you're watching this video, but we saw a very quick shift of direction, and this is /NQ. Well, this is SQQQ, but the market was green, and then it went red very quickly. Just if you don't want to watch any further throughout this video, why did this happen? Well, President Trump announced that they are no longer going to be or continue the talk of a second stimulus check until after the election. Based off of the different articles I'm reading, there's a lot of different speculation, but because of that, that acted as a negative notion that pulled back the market. So because of that pullback, guess what went up? SQQQ. And guess what I'm up on the day? So it is SQQQ. So I have 1,000 shares that are open right now. We have 20 minutes left until the market is closed. And I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see how the overall market performs. It's been a pretty choppy day. First it started off pretty green, then it went red, and then it went green, and then out of nowhere, right, it just aggressively sold off. I thought it was because I announced on Instagram that I tested positive for COVID. So you know that when President Trump announced that he tested positive for COVID, the market sold off. And then I announced it today, and guess what? The market, it's not because of me. But unfortunately, like I spoke about in yesterday's video, I was feeling a little bit under the weather. And I went ahead and I took initiative, took a COVID test, and today my test results did come back and I did test positive. So I'm going to be quarantined for the next 10 to 14 days. I don't feel very sick. I don't have shortness of breath or anything like that. I'll keep you guys up to date with my overall condition. I appreciate all the best wishes and all the prayers for everything it is that you guys have done for me. But altogether, I've been stuck in my room. I've been postmating foods, and I'm in a pretty good position where it could be a lot worse, right? I'm not feeling very sick. I have access to Postmates, so I can get food delivered here, and I'm trying to make the most of it. So if you guys have any Netflix recommendations, comment those down below. But I just wanted to have some fun with you guys, kind of keep you guys up to date with the overall market, and wish you guys nothing but the best. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. I still plan to trade live every single morning until we beat this thing. So if you guys want to join us for our live trading session, make sure you click that second link down below. Join our Learn Plan Profit group, and we'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. I traded live this morning. I traded live the day before, and we're going to continue to do so. So it looks like the market's selling off, so SQs is still pushing up. And that means that we're going to keep making a little bit of money. So not bad, $1,700 on the day. We're trying to make the most of it and trying to stay productive. So wish you guys nothing but the best. Again, pretty unfortunate news for the second stimulus check, acted as a negative notion. But this is why it's so important to understand what goes up when the market goes down and how quickly direction can shift. So let's stay positive. Let's watch those position sizes. Let's manage those risks, and let's stay healthy. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one, team. Take it easy.